In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a child issue to an issue on the Jira Backlog. Whether you're a project manager, a developer, or just someone who navigates their way through numerous tasks, you'll find this skill to be incredibly useful for keeping everything organized and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now let's dive in and walk through the steps you'll need to take to accomplish this. First things first, begin by heading over to your Jira homepage. This is your project management hub where all your tasks live and breathe. Signing in might feel like a mundane step, but it's the gateway to making your workflow a tad bit easier today. Once you're on your homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. There you'll find the Projects tab. Click on it to reveal a list of projects you're currently working on. Now select the specific project you'd like to manage. This is the project where you'll enhance your ability to track progress by adding child issues to the tasks. Next, locate the Backlog tab within your project. The backlog is where all your planned tasks reside. It's essentially a to-do list, only smarter. Click on it to move into the dedicated space where you can see all the tasks waiting to be completed or prioritized. As you navigate through your backlog, keep an eye out for the specific issue you want to expand on. This is the issue to which you'll be adding more detailed subtasks or child issues. Once you've identified the issue, go ahead and click on it to open its detailed view. This is where you'll have full visibility of all the information associated with this task. Inside the issue's detailed view, look for the Add button. You'll typically find it near the top or the side, depending on your screen setup. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu that will give you several options for expanding your task. In this drop-down menu, there's something special waiting for you, the Child Issue option. Go ahead and select this. This selection is key as it allows you to break down the parent issue into smaller, more manageable pieces, which can greatly enhance clarity and delegability. After selecting the Child Issue option, it's time to put pen to paper, or in this case, fingers to keyboard. Type in what needs to be done for the child issue. Be as detailed as possible here, as this will guide whoever takes on the task. Once you've written the necessary details, click on the Create button, and there you have it. You've successfully added a child issue to an existing issue on your Jira backlog. By doing this, you're not only keeping things organized, but also ensuring more effective project management. Remember, breaking down tasks into smaller parts is a tried and true method for managing complex projects with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.